A stark new warning from global health experts: plastics are posing a grave, growing and dangerously under-recognized threat to both human health and the planet. A comprehensive review published in The Lancet has declared the world is in the midst of a plastics crisis, a crisis responsible for disease and death from infancy through old age and costing the global economy an estimated $1.5 trillion every year in health-related damages. The report says the root of the crisis is an explosion in plastic production that is up more than 200-fold since 1950 and is expected to nearly triple again by the year 2060, exceeding 1 billion tons annually. Now, according to the report, 8 billion tons of plastic now contaminate every corner of the earth, from the peak of Mount Everest to the deepest ocean trenches, and less than 10% is ever recycled. But the danger is not just in the waste. The report warns plastics are hazardous throughout their entire life cycle, from fossil fuel extraction to manufacturing to disposal. The consequences include air pollution, exposure to toxic chemicals, and microscopic plastic particles invading the human body. These particles have even been found in blood, brain tissue, breast milk, and bone marrow. Even mosquitoes are thriving in plastic waste, using littered containers as breeding grounds, increasing the spread of the disease. Professor Philip Landrigan, the lead author and a pediatrician at Boston College, says the impacts fall mostly heavily on vulnerable groups, especially infants and children, and warns that the health risks start before birth, with links to miscarriage, premature birth, birth defects, and even childhood cancers. Plastics are primarily made from fossil fuels, contributing more than 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide emissions each year, more than the entire country of Russia. Open-air burning of plastic waste adds to the toxic toll, and more than 16,000 chemicals are used in plastics, many with unknown and dangerous health impacts. Experts say we are just beginning to understand the true cost of plastic, not just to the environment, but to our health, our economies, and our future.